Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I've got my BOXYCHARM base box and it's full of goodies. I have taken a quick little peek because I couldn't wait to see what I have, because there's some stuff that was in boxes that I was like, oh, I hope I don't get that one. But today I'm super happy that I got this. This is the Luxy Wonderlust set. And it is 5 brushes from the Wonderlust collection, and I also have the full collection in a beautiful periwinkle. This color is periwinkle. People have been calling it all kinds of colors that I've seen on YouTube, but it's periwinkle. And it is a 5-piece with rose gold synthetic brushes. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angle brush, large shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxy pouch for on the go, for glam on the go. I'm totally down for glam on the go. And then we've got, second of all, what my choice was the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. So I can't wait to try it and see if it is as pale as it needs to be for me. And it is. That is super pale, and I'm digging it. I am going to wipe it off real quick though, because I don't want concealer everywhere. But I'm super happy to have this. $24 value. I've actually bought it for $24 before, so it's awesome to get it in a box for $25. Then we have the Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask, a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask. In cream, in tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten. Oh, they rhymed. I had this, let me just put it right here. They brighten the delicate eye area. This mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, Pullulan, I'm not sure, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I can't wait. I can never get enough eye creams. So this is fantastic. And this is, let me get my magnifying glass. $93. Wow, this is fancy. That's like crazy expensive. Then I've got from Ace Beauty, not Beauty, Beauty Beauty. The little slash over the E makes it beauty. Anyway, but this is the Dream It Up lip liner, and the Draw It Up liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. That's fantastic. And these colors are great. And I will put them with my lip pencils. Very excited to have these. I can never have enough lip pencils to go with the myriad of lip things that I have. And last but not least, I'm super excited to get this. This is what I wanted. It's nice to get what you want. I've really liked everything in my box. And I'm telling you, some of the variations were kind of scary. This is variation 28, if you care about that kind of stuff. And this is from Beauty Bakery. And I have another palette by Beauty Bakery. And I use the Beauty Bakery Flower setting powder. And this is Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This delightful morning medley of saturated mattes, shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. MSRP $38. And this is beautiful, kind of cool toned, and I can't wait to make a look with it. It's just super pretty. I'm gonna not swatch it right now and save that for a video of me putting it on. So let's add up. Let's see if I can do this correctly. I just throw things around. So we got the palette, the lip liners, the eye cream, the under eye concealer, and the brushes. So the total is, let's see, 38. I know I say it out loud every time. 38 plus 40 plus 24 plus 93 and then 18. So that's a $213 value, which is fantastic for the $25 box that this is. I'm super happy with this box. I really couldn't be any happier. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.